everyone, good evening and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can register for your IELTS or OET test. Now I know this is a simple task for some people, but some find it difficult because I got a question asking me how. I thought in terms of explaining, people were still asking me for the link, and I am doing this for nurses who want to register for their NMBI registration. And got a question in our platform, WhatsApp platform, so I decided to make this video for you guys. If you need a step-by-step guide on how to register for your IELTS, if you have never done this before and this is your first time, this video is for you. It will give you a guide on what to do. So let's get to it. Here I am going to show you how to register for your IELTS or OET test. You need to go to Google. First of all, if you have a laptop or desktop or whichever one, I don't know, you look for this icon on your desktop and click it. It will take you straight to Google. This is Google Chrome. It will take you straight to Google. I use a MacBook, so I probably have Safari, but I also have a Google Chrome. Some of you may be using Firefox or whatever it's that you use. So click on that and then it will take you to Google Chrome. Register for IELTS test. IELTS test. And now this will be the country where you live. For instance, if you live in India, you need to take your test in India. So when you say register for IELTS test in India and you click the search button, it's gonna bring up something like this, britishcouncil.in. That means India. If you click on this, now make sure that you are on the website that shows the name of your country where you live in. This is India. This one is showing us IELTS India, so that means I'm on the right page. Assuming I'm in India and I want to take this test in India, then you scroll down because you're looking for take an exam. So you scroll down and you can see the exam types to take and the fee and the button to book. Now it has book paper-based and computer-delivered test. So you could book here, it says 14,000 rupees or whatever it is that they use. IELTS for UK visas and immigration. This is not what you're looking for because you're not going to UK. IELTS for life skill AI and BI. This is not what you're looking for either. So you need to be looking for this. And then you can click book and it will take you to the next step. Okay, I am going to go back and show you another one because that was for India. If you're registered, let's say register for IELTS test, and for instance, let's say you live in Philippines. Okay, that's good. I won't advise you to go here because this will take you straight to British Council website, which is not what you need at the minute. You need the British Council website for your own country, so I will go for this. So ignore this ad one. If you were searching for take IELTS test in your country and you see this ad, please ignore it. Just go to the next one that has no ad. This British Council Philippine PH, you can see that here. You click this, make sure that the name of the country where you live in is here, okay? And then it says take an exam. So you scroll down, you can see take IELTS test, and this is 11,300 PHPIs in Philippine money. I don't know what currency they use. And again, you need to select the test that you're looking for. At the minute, you're looking to do IELTS academic, so please go and book this. You're not doing the IELTS general. This one is computer based. It's the same anyway. This is paper based, this is computer based. And you're not looking to do the IELTS UK visas, so ignore this and ignore that. So you could choose paper based or computer based, and again click book and it will take you to the stage. Alright, to the next page where you are required to book. I will show you one more. Alright, now let's do Nigeria. So let's say for those nurses in Nigeria, sorry, Nigeria. I'm typing nurses because I'm talking about nurses. Okay, register for IELTS test in Nigeria. Now the first one that comes in says britishcouncil.org.ng and it says British Council Nigeria. You know you are going on the right website. This has Nigeria. Again, make sure that this has the name of the country where you live in, and it says take the test, okay, or take the exam. You scroll down, you could see the test dates. Like I showed you previously, you are not looking to take IELTS for skill, life skill A1, B1, no. You're not looking to take IELTS for UK visa immigration, no. You are looking to take IELTS academic. You could choose the computer delivered test, or you could choose the paper-based test, because this is for IELTS academic in general. Okay, let's do this now. If you click book, the price is 75,000 naira. If you click book, it will take you to this page. Now I'm going to go through the steps with you to show you what you need to do. First of all, it says check the availability and select the test date. You will need to select a separate test date for your speaking test. I don't know why they have chosen the speaking test separately, but that's okay. Then the second thing is you need to create an account with British Council, and you need to book and pay. And here, these are the things you need. So before you book this test, make sure you have an identification document for test takers, and make sure that you have a photocopy of a photo of the identification document at hand. So as you will need to upload these as part of your booking process. Then you need to have a payment card. If you don't have a payment card, you need to go and get one, or find a way. I don't know if it will allow you to have another form of payment without paying online. But anyway, let's continue. Here you are looking to do IELTS academic again. It says here study at university at undergraduate or postgraduate level, or join professional organization in English speaking country, territory. You are looking to join a professional organization because you need the IELTS to register with NMBI, or if you want to go to UK, you need IELTS to register with NMC. Because you're looking to join a professional organization in English speaking country, this is the right one that they have actually planned for you. So you click book IELTS academic. It will take you to this stage where it says IELTS academic. It's asking you to choose the country to see the test in. Alright, I understand, you might live in one country and want to take it in another, but the purpose of saying you live in Nigeria and you want to take the test in Nigeria, so you should be looking for Nigeria because that's where you want to take the test. It says, do you need a special arrangement on the test date? You can click no and choose your test date, but if you do, click yes. This is what it's going to bring out for you. It says, which special arrangements do you need? I'm making this because I know some people might have the special needs and they need more assistance during the day of the IELTS. But bearing in mind that if you choose any of this or whatever it's you choose, they say you will need to provide a medical evidence if you have special requirements. A manual says or something like that, that we need someone to, write for you or dictate. Like when you dictate and someone writes for you, for some reason, maybe you need that in case you don't have fingers to type, or you have arthritis, or you have something with your hands that you're not able to write if you're taking the paper test. Do you understand? So if you're taking the paper test and you need someone to write for you, then you need to click this. That is if you have a need that affects you using your fingers. Okay, if you're using doing the computer test and you are not able to use your fingers, there are other solutions for you as well. They will ask you to use the voice activated software for the computer test. That means you speak and the computer writes for you. But if you're taking the paper test, this is probably the one someone else will have to write for you, or another. If you click this, they will ask you for more information later. Then VR test papers. This is for people who are blind or partially blind. The type of paper that have raised points or dots on them that they have to touch to fill it. VR word processor, in case you need an equipment like where you type and speak or something like that. They have this equipment they use for them that help them in terms of processing words. Or enlarged text papers, or you need extra time, or if you are deaf, you need lip reading test version. You cannot hear, so you need to lip read whoever that is speaking, and to understand what they're saying. Or you need special amplification equipment. Maybe you're hard of hearing and the volume has to be so loud for you to hear them and all those stuffs. And I don't know much about what the word processor would be, but let's assume that I need this one. I'm gonna click that You can have two, can you? I don't know really. Okay, let me try this. Extra time, la 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 la. When do you want to see the test? They have availability December. Okay, but this is based on what I've chosen. If I have removed all of this, right, and say that I do not require special assistance, you can see that they have more dates. Okay, let's assume that I choose no and you want to take a test in September, October. Okay, let's go October and choose location. Here it will bring out locations for you. You say you can choose more, okay, one or more locations. I don't know why, but anyway, if I am in Lagos, let's say Lagos Island, you're choosing British Council Trading Services Limited Lagos, and then you scroll down and search for test, and then it has brought out 4 test dates. Assuming I choose 15. This is paper-based IELTS, remember, and these are the test dates that are available. You could choose one that is closest to you. Let's say I choose British Council Lake Hotel, 3 Cooper Road, Ikoyi. Choose this test. IELTS Academic, test fee 75,000 naira, and you arrive 7:30, test starts 9 o'clock and finishes 1:30. Please note, venue will be confirmed 5 days before your test is written. Now at this stage, if you want to change location, you can. If you want to choose a different date, you can. If not, then you have to confirm this. Then it's asking you to choose a speaking test, because if you remember initially, they informed us that a speaking test, you have to choose a different date for your speaking test. So choose speaking test. I chose 15 October for reading, listening and writing. And let's see what they have available on the speaking test. They have 10th of October. Okay, let's choose 10th. And it says select time. I'm not really much of a morning person. Let me say I choose 3 o'clock. Okay, now this is the venue for your speaking test. Ready to book? Say, do you have the account with us? Before you can book a test, you need to create an account with us. With an account, you can book and pay securely, save any details, book tests more quickly. But if you have an account already, say I already have an account. If you do not have an account, you need to create an account with British Council, and then you can just, type in your name, la 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 la, and fill in your email address, choose a password, and you could click any of these if you want to receive stuffs from them. I don't like mails, junk emails or things like that. I probably would choose do not send me any marketing updates. And you must click this, and then you click register. And when you register, it will take you through the process of making payments. And this is the steps you need to follow if you want to register for your IELTS. Thank you for watching and listening, and see you again. Please, if you like this video and you want more video, please click like, subscribe, and then share as well for those of you who don't know how. This is how you can register for your IELTS test. Subscribe so that you can actually be notified when I make more videos or make new videos. Now, if there is something you want me to make a video of to show you how in terms of this process of registering and in your pursuit for nursing jobs in Ireland, please put it down in the comments and let me know what you want me to make a video on, and then we'll get to it. See you next time. Thank you and bye bye.